Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Mango, local and long distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we've got your back regarding local moves in Mango, Florida. When you choose us, here's how we'll make the magic happen. First, our Mango local movers will conduct an on-site assessment to determine your needs. We'll then carefully pack your belongings, ensuring their safety throughout the journey. Our expert movers are intimately familiar with the streets of Mango, which means we can efficiently navigate the city and find the quickest routes to your new home. Knowing the ins and outs of Mango is a massive advantage for us as a moving company. We can anticipate potential challenges, such as narrow streets or restricted parking, and proactively plan accordingly. Unlike local moves, long-distance moves require additional logistics. We plan the routes, coordinate with our trusted network of partners, and provide accurate timelines to keep you informed every step of the way. Our Mango long-distance 3 Movers will expertly pack your belongings, utilizing high-quality packing materials to keep them safe during transit. We take precautions to secure fragile items, electronics, and furniture, giving you peace of mind throughout the journey. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mango moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.